Hi, welcome to my kitchen. Today, on Cooking Show at Home, I'll be making baked mini eggplants with two tasty topping options: a creamy Greek yogurt sauce with garlic, dill, and lemon juice, and a marinara sauce with garlic and Parmesan. Watch this video until the end to find out which topping tastes the best. As always, you'll find the list of ingredients on the screen and in the description below. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about the recipe, feel free to ask them in the comments. Okay, I have all the ingredients ready, and I'll start by cutting each mini eggplant in half. The mini eggplants don't need to be peeled or treated with salt like larger ones. Just cut them, place them cut side up on a piece of aluminum foil brushed with oil, and set on a baking rack. Brush them with oil, then season with salt and freshly ground black pepper. Place them into the oven and bake at 420 degrees Fahrenheit until soft and golden, about 20 to 25 minutes. While they're baking, I'll peel and chop the garlic for both toppings. Let's start with the yogurt sauce. Chop the dill, put it into a bowl, add the Greek yogurt, half of the chopped garlic, a pinch of salt and pepper, and squeeze in the juice of half a lemon. Mix it well and set aside. For the marinara topping, I won't mix everything beforehand, but I'll prepare the ingredients. Grate some Parmesan cheese, and have the marinara sauce ready. When the eggplants are baked, soft, and golden, I'll take them out for topping. Before adding the sauces, I'll score them with a knife so the toppings and seasoning can sink in better. Some people prefer to do this before baking, but I like to do it after. It helps the eggplants stay juicier. Now, I'll spread the yogurt sauce over half of the eggplants. Rest, I'll spoon on the marinara, sprinkle the remaining chopped garlic, and top with grated Parmesan. Then I'll return them to the oven for another 8 to 10 minutes to melt and brown the toppings. When they're ready, I'll garnish them. Fresh basil for the marinara version, and parsley for the Greek yogurt sauce. Okay, let's serve and taste. First, the yogurt sauce version. Tastes great. The sauce is creamy, and the garlic really complements the flavor of the eggplant. Now, the marinara version. You can taste the roasted garlic, but the marinara with Parmesan gives it a richer and more complex flavor. I like both, but for me, the winner is the eggplant with marinara sauce. Try this recipe at home and let me know in the comments which one you prefer. And please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Bye!